So welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in this video about the grassing techniques and how we do the grassing and what are the protocols, precautions, etc. so that you should aware that how we do for maximum success. So first of all, before grassing you have to ready your surface area. So here you can see the surface area is leveled. This is your first job, right? After that you have to apply fertilizer. So this is, you can see, this is NPK, and it's you can say about 600 square meter area. On 600 square meter area we have applied about 60 kg. So this is the combination of nitrogen, phosphorus and potash, 15% each. Okay, after that when you go for selection of grass, and you have to wash the grass. Here you can see the grass. This is the top surface, this is the bottom. Here you can see this is actually the roots. Let me show you. These are the roots. So this is paspalm grass and these are the roots. So we have washed out the roots so that there is no soil or sand media in it, and there is no harmful bacteria or virus, etc., or anything else than that, weeds, etc., they didn't come to our new area. So before we go for the grassing, we apply the Temec. Temec is actually a chemical in a powder shape that kills each and everything, bacteria, virus, whatever it is. It is the microscopic or macroscopic living organisms. So all the good bacteria, all the harmful bacteria, all the viruses, everything will be killed by that material, that chemical, which is what we call Temec. That is hardly available. It's internationally, you can say, they didn't allow for normal use. Okay, so this is the grass. Then we took the grass and we break that grass into small pieces, and once that is broken into the small pieces, then that will be plugged inside. Small pieces, it will be cut in small pieces and will be grounded in. 1 square foot grass carpet will cover around 5 square feet of your area. You have to insert it deep for a couple of reasons. Number one, as you can see, our media is the sand media. We are growing grass in the sand. So let's suppose if we face some high winds, then there is a good chance that due to wind erosion, the sand will move and the grass will pull out by wind. Second thing is the irrigation or rain. If your particle size of the sprinkler is bigger, then it will erode your sand, or you can say it will splash out your sand, and your roots of the grass will expose to sun. The same is the problem with the heavy intensity of rains. If you receive a heavy rain, then it will remove or wash out the sand beside these grass, and if your grass is exposed to sun, then there is less chances for its survival and growth. Okay, once that is done, once we complete that work, then the second step will be the rolling. We will roll this all green with the manual roller, and the next day we will come back and we will spread some sand on top of it, and then we will roll it again for better coverage and to eliminate the human error. Here you can see that the finishing is not good, so there is human error involved in it, right? So two things: one, rolling, double rolling in X and Y direction, and after that you have to go for sand dusting on top of this surface area, and again rolling only in one direction, either X or Y or Z, whatever you can. And the third thing is the irrigation. You have to irrigate it gently. Less irrigation, less time irrigation means the irrigation period will be less. Let's suppose if the overall requirement of this surface is 2 hours of irrigation, then you should go in 10 minutes irrigation for 12 times. So less and frequently irrigation is required on this type of surfaces, because the roots are not that much far deep. They are just in above 1 inch area, and this is sand base, and below that we have subsurface drainage, so that is quickly drying. So be careful. You must have a proper irrigation system before you go for this type of surfaces and grossing. Manual watering is good if you have the rubber pipe and with a shower on top of it, but the shower must be adjustable so that you can increase or decrease the size of the particle. Thank you.